Behdieñkhlam bashisin shisnem jong ka Seiñ Raij Ialong kalapoi no syakabakut mentakas ngi palei hagajing ipo ipeng balawan baneshim menta daki khon ka Seiñ Raij bat kidong bapher yaki rot balawan ra mentakas ngi kiladon hadu shipau tali bat hadin ka jingshat haringkat ka kemen karisa ka put katem ya katang muri ka bom lalej ra no yaki rot hagajaka balakot ka tre perda habapha shagajing lehñiam kalalong ka bayat bet yat renti nadu ka basdang bat hadu mentakas ngi penkut hak balawan ban sakhilang da Myntri Rangbah kajala konrat ke sangma hakasian baningkong kum ukongsan hakajingdon lang usembut Myntri Rangbah mas nyau halang dahar MLA ka jawai uma wailat miki shala uma daman bat lamare MLA ka umroy ka kongsanta meri shala MLA udaloi ka ilaka jawai uma puramwan genjing ki wahe wasan bat ki wede ki balasha khot sngobha nakalyang ukonrat ki sangma haba ajingkran hakani kasngi ula ai ki kentien kerkhu kerdo yakinong penyat ka Seiñ Raij Ialong ki bala tre shitom ban penyat renti yakani ka lehñiam Behdieñkhlam bat ukermen skam lingba ka jing pendap yakani ka lehñiam kanwan ra ya ka baha kamyat ka roi kapar habaro kiliang hakaju kapor ula kular ban yarap kerkum ka memorandum bala IT hau da ka Seiñ Raij Ialong bat ka dor bar shnong kata ban penbaha penyat ya ka surok nadu main road syaduk ka jaka jengok kai ka Ialong Park hakabai de beki jaka pet kai ka tre perda aitnar nakalyang Myntri Rangbah ula kular ban yarap ya kani ke jingdawa.
For always supporting the young Clayton. Dan kucu merah diserut habis. This is my first visit officially to the Seiñ Raij Ialong the Behdieñkhlam festival. I have not come here before, and I would like to first of all thank the organizing committee, the president and secretary for having invited me here for this wonderful program. And at the very outset, I would like to wish all and each and everyone who's present out here a very happy Behdieñkhlam festival. I will not take much time because I know that all of you are here to celebrate the festival. But I would like to just add that as a government, we are very keen to ensure that the government supports the different traditional programs and festivals of the people of our state. And in the future also, we will continue to give whatever support that we can so that the traditional practices, the different festivals are all celebrated in the best possible manner. And so, as has been expressed by the office of the Seiñ Raij Ialong, as well as by the Honorable Local MLA, Mawphor, I would like to assure you that whatever has been mentioned in this memorandum, to put up a gallery out here, to put up a public area, also to put up the toilets and the different washrooms and all the other facilities that will be required so that you can celebrate the Behdieñkhlam in a much better manner. I assure you that the government will give full support to build up the infrastructure out here. With sakhi lang, Seiñ Raij Ialong, Recommend legacy di Behdieñkhlam untuk ya belum suai di bantuan ini. Benar kalian yang alam kuat dalam bukti ni bah, you baik bah, mem kuat dong kecil le kuat infan ni bah ni to kesisa. Sir, with due respect, it's my sincere thanks to you. I would like to inform you, sir, you are the first chief minister who come to witness the Seiñ Raij Ialong Behdieñkhlam. I don't want so much because whatever Mawphor expressed to you, I know you never say no to your people.